In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a gallery view in Notion. This process is simple and will make your workspace visually engaging and easier to navigate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Notion pages with beautiful imagery. So, let's jump in and get started. First things first, head over to your connected Notion workspace. This is where you'll have all your wiki, docs, and projects neatly organized. Once there, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in. So, if you aren't already, click that Log In button and enter your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, find yourself on the Notion homepage. This is your launchpad, so to speak, granting you access to all your pages and tools. Now from here, you need to locate the specific page you want to work on. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open up the content. Inside the page you'd like to modify, you'll need to create a gallery view. To do this, simply type in Gallery View on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut that helps you add a gallery view without having to navigate through multiple menus. It's a neat trick that saves you time and keeps your workflow efficient. Next, you'll need to add a property to make the gallery view truly come to life. Look for the option that says Add Property and click on it. This step is crucial as it allows you to define the type of content your gallery will display. Now, this brings us to choosing the right type of property. To support images, select Files and Media. This property type is designed to store and display images and other media files, making it perfect for your gallery needs. By selecting this, you're telling Notion that you want the gallery view to include media content. And that's it! With these simple steps, you've successfully added an image property to your gallery view in Notion. Your gallery will now display images, making your page more visually appealing and helping you organize your visuals effectively. This feature is especially useful if you're handling multiple projects or dealing with a lot of media content, as it allows you to view everything at a glance and access your images quickly. Whether it's for personal projects or collaborative work, a gallery view can redefine how you interact with your content in Notion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore more possibilities with Notion to customize your workspace to your liking. See you next time.